Today we're going to be checking out a new lottery miner that's been sent to me by Bitcoin Merch. We'll see what they've sent me today. So thanks for Bitcoin Merch for sending this out to me. So let's check what we've got in the packet. So first thing, I've received this a few times when they've sent me stuff. It is a Venezuelan currency note. So probably worth nothing, but still pretty good to have in the collection if you're a coin collector. Wouldn't buy it based on just receiving a note, but it's still a nice gift to receive. So let's check what's in here. It's empty now. We've got a card with a setup guide on it. So this will help set the lottery miner up. A Bitcoin. So it's just a metal coin inside a little package. Plus it's got a sticker in there. Then we have a Bitcoin Merch card. That's for their new solo pool, so if you scan onto that, you can enter their solo pool and start mining if you don't already have one that you use. And obviously we have here the Gold Digger Lottery Miner. So let's check to see what it looks like and how much power it uses before we set it up. Then I might in a later video show the setup process. So you get a little container for it, get a cord. We'll check out what type of cord this one is. So this one is USB-A, so it plugs into the block, to USB-C, and it's a decent length as well. So it could be about maybe nearly a meter. That'd be just a guess, maybe a bit shorter than a meter. And then here is the lottery miner. So this is the Gold Digger, so let's give it a quick turn on, just see what it looks like. I've got a block here to plug it into. So we'll plug it in first, then we'll see how much power it uses when it's not hashing. Just see what it looks like for the first time startup. Now I'll switch on the power board. That should be all ready to go, hopefully. Give it just a moment. Just a quick look over it. There we go. That's all starting up. Now so far in just this mode now, which is not hashing, it is using less than 1 watt, which is pretty good. But obviously it's not hashing. I would imagine it would use a little bit more while it's hashing, but not too much. And it comes up with the QR code that must also help with the setup. And when it's in this mode now, it's 1.1 watts. So anyway, I imagine what would happen is once you've loaded up your Wi-Fi and connected it all up, you, with that screen we just saw before, you'll see the current prices of Bitcoin and a few other altcoins. Anyway, what we'll do is I'll in the next video set this all up. Ah, there we go. This on top seems to change the... I think it changes the screen display. So yeah, so what's on top here will change the screen display. So that's why it was all flickering around before, because I had my hand on top of here. Yep, so once it's connected to Wi-Fi, that should show the price of all altcoins, plus as well, it will be slowly mining you some Bitcoin. So not only will it show on the display coin values, but mine you a little bit of Bitcoin. It's unlikely you'll get anything, but hey, look, if you've got to be in it to win it, and you might hit a block. Anyway, that's today's video, and thanks for watching.